Hi, I'm Asha Newbold.
And I'm Rosie Black. We're property partners at CR Real Estates.
And today we are here at Upchurch House on Horsham Lane in the sought-after village of Upchurch. On the outskirts of Swale, the curb appeal that this property offers is truly breathtaking.
Come with us. Let's take a look around.
So this stunning converted farmhouse offers a blend of classic features with contemporary modern living. Features include wooden panels, stained glass windows, ceiling roses and architrave.
The ground floor accommodation of this property offers 4 reception rooms, a spacious kitchen, a utility area and a WC.
Upchurch is a rural setting but with good direct access into the Medway towns and Swale. Schools include Holywell Primary School, Riverside Primary School and the Lee Academy Secondary School. Rainer Mark Grammar School is a short distance and it's the only mixed grammar school in Medway that offers a good Ofsted report.
Other local amenities include co-op, a pub, a fish and chip shop, River Valley Golf Club and the Barnyard Restaurant.
And so the first floor of this property, you have 4 double bedrooms. The master bedroom offers an ensuite and there's a stunning family bathroom with a roll-top bath adding to those classic features of this property. So to add an additional touch of class to this property, off of the master bedroom you have 2 balconies, one of which is overlooking this truly stunning garden.
Well, it's not every day you get to buy a property with its very own wishing well. I wish I had one. There's another benefit that I'm going to show you right now. Here we have the cellar, an amazing space, loads of room for storage and access from the outside.
Hi there, my name is Kingsley Hughes and I'm an architect and we're looking at the further potential of this building. I've done loads like this and it's a great building already, but there is potential to add a lot of further value to this and there are many clients who would wish to do so. It's all about remodelling and extension. So this is already a lovely 4-bedroom detached house, lots of grounds, lovely bedrooms, lots of reception rooms and a lovely large outbuilding as well in the garden, if you can see it just here, which would be ideal. It's exactly a double garage and outbuilding at the moment, but would be ideal for some kind of annex, like a granny annex or teenagers annex. So somebody can have a bit of independence while still being part of the main house and the main curtilage of the building.
So that concludes our tour of Upchurch House.
If you'd like to view this property, give us a call today on 01634 570057.